Welcome to the Magic Melody and Fairy Tales.
Hey there, friends, come gather around. We're going to learn some special sounds. They're not just letters, they help words grow. They're called vowels, and here we go. Vowel code. AEIOU. A is for apples that fall from the tree, and astronauts floating so wild and free. E is for elephants big and proud, and eagles soaring above the cloud. I is for ice cream cold and yummy, and iguanas with a grumbly tummy. O is for octopus deep in the sea, and oranges picked just for me. U is for umbrellas in the rain, and unicorns dancing on a candy cane. AEIOU. Vowels help with all we do. They're in each word we love to say. Let's cheer for vowels. Hip